using 3D Repo, do we have to re-export our Revit model into a particular format or as an RBT file up into your server before it collaborates, or is anything happening in real time?
No, you have to specifically upload. I mean, at the moment we import IFCs exported from Revit. But the idea is to create a plugin for Revit, and because you can see up here revision, so we don't ever destroy data.
Right.
Every time you upload, it's another copy of the same data.
So what people are seeing is only ever a snapshot of what's currently been uploaded onto the server.
If I can...
Hello, my name's Phil Thompson. I work for Balfour Beatty. I'm the project manager for our Innovate UK project with the FIS, which is the Fit Out and Interior sector, and 3D Repo. Two parts to our presentation today. Going to go through our Innovate UK project and talk about Bid for Free and what that means, and an introduction to 3D Repo, which is the underlying technology that we're using to develop our platform.
One of the key benefits of the platform is that we can deliver better design, and this is really important to me as an architect, because if we save time, these bars represent project duration. And this is the current status, and this is where we can be with 3D Repo. So we can save a lot of time on data transfers, and if I can spend my time better on designing and coming up with better solutions, that's good for the design. Then I have more time for coordination, which means then we can build quicker, and we can deliver a better product in shorter time. And this is we believe the most important part. When you go to bill of quantities, you have your spreadsheet on one side, and you can have a model on the background. So you can select the items in a spreadsheet, and they are highlighted in a model. And now we believe that this is a really important tool to have to avoiding a lot of mistakes, or to be able to price precisely. Because, for example, you can have 300 square meters of ceiling in a spreadsheet, but it doesn't tell you whether it's a rectangle, whether it's a complicated shape, is it maybe few parts stitched together. And by simply looking on a 3D model, you can see the complexity of the job, and then you can price accordingly without making silly mistake.
Olympic Stadium.
This is the Olympic Stadium, yeah.
Okay. Just in Google Chrome.
Yeah, that's the huge city model in there as well. It's pretty clever to be fair, the way it works. Even have nuts and bolts.
Soul team already.
Yeah, James is already in that conversation.
Oh, okay.
And there you go, if my 4G worked properly. There you go, it's running on a mobile phone.
That's pretty cool.
There's one thing we had to do for one of the Crossrail projects, was convert to something called London Eastings. Do you know London Eastings? And for some reason London has its own coordinate system, which is based on, again, a different curvature of the Earth. And that has a conversion to Ordnance Survey, which then has a conversion to longitude, latitude for Google Maps. And it was just a nightmare. Anyway, is this gonna... There you go, starting to... So, there you go.
That's pretty cool.
Stadium on your phone.
That's pretty mad.
So I'm Liam Clark from Freeform 3D. We do 4D modelling. We deal with a lot of main tier 1 contractors. We see sort of 3D Repo coming in at the larger scale. So currently we do 4D modelling at project scale. And we feel the benefit for us will be once it reaches sort of that urban scale, the larger projects, and perhaps combining multiple ones into the same space to condense the data down and make it accessible to all of the project team.
Perfect.
Is that okay?